make a heart like the ones I've got behind me. So you start off with 2 bits of willow. Now the willow is fatter at one end and thinner at the top, and you're going to bend it round from the thin end like that, and then you're going to take a bit of masking tape, tape it round like that, and then you've got half a heart. And then I'm going to take a bit of willow, and then I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to try and make it the same size if I can, like that. And there's the other half of the heart. And now I'm going to join them together like that. Another bit of masking tape there. My heart's flying away. And that's the last bit there. And now I've got a heart frame. Right, so I'm going to show you how to skin the heart. So I've got my heart frame here, and the first thing I'm going to do is just work out the size of the paper, the skinning paper, to skin it with. So I've got 2 sheets of paper here. I'm cutting them so that they'll fit the size of the heart. And then what you're really going to do is make a paper sandwich. So you're going to cover this bottom sheet with glue, and what I'm doing here, and the glue is the 50/50 PVA and water. And then you put the frame in the middle, and then you'll put the second bit of paper on the top. Then you're going to cover that with glue, and don't be shy with the glue. And then once that's covered, take a pair of scissors and just trim around the edges. Once you get to that middle bit, try and cut right down into the middle bit of the heart there. And then you're just going to go around the edges and just cut tabs into the paper. You can't quite see it there. Cutting tabs, and then just folding each one of those tabs over. And that's pretty much it. You just go around your whole heart. You can use the offcuts to cover the stalk of the heart, but that's pretty much it. Let it dry, and then you can start decorating.